These are new orders. This one is 30 liters. And this 16 liters. You can see the drone frame is made of aviation aluminum and carbon fiber. This is the folding joint. And GPS, remote controller. The batteries, smart battery, and a charger. You can carry it like this. It has 4 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can connect 4 batteries at the same time. It has a screen can show the voltage in real time. There are 3 drones ready for delivery. They will be shipped to Latin America. And we also have many drones in the stock.